Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tessie. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to tie this urban, what did I call it, how to tie this head tie using your leggings. Yes, what I have on my head right now is leggings. It's very simple and it looks so beautiful. Look at that, look at this. It's so beautiful. Can you believe that? So yeah, let's get to the video. So this is my leggings. You can use any leggings of your choice. So this is mine, as you can see. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this place I have to put on my waist and I will put it on my hair. Here I'm going to roll it over like this way. So I have the two legs here, so I'm going to go ahead to use this one here and start folding it round. Wherever it ends, just fold it in like this and take the other side and fold it whichever way you want it to go. And wherever it ends, just fold it in. Draw it and set them, and here you have your wonderful leggings on your hair. Nobody will believe you have leggings on your hair. If you did not see me do this, you will never know that what I have on my hair is leggings. So I'm going to show you another style you can use your leggings to achieve. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you learned something. You can actually make it any style of your choice. Like you can throw these leggings any style of your choice. It's very easy to put together. Yes, it's very easy. You can even use any color of your choice, black, brown, colors, leggings, depends on what you want. In fact, I even used one of it to church today. Yes, and nobody will ever knew that you have a tight on your hair. Look at how much beautiful it is. So yeah, it's very easy. I hope you give it a try. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for sharing this video. I will see you on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.